start again now.
What I'm doing, my husband harvest the bamboo shoot this morning, very nice. And then right now I trim them, and then I have to boil into the water for 30 minutes, soak in the cold water for 2 hours at least, and then the upper part just pan fry with pork or beef, and then the lower part is tougher. I'm going to make it I don't know how to say, slice it, shave it, something, and then marinate it so I can have the bamboo shoot all year round. Bye bye. Now this one, you have to trim it. You can't have it, it's very bitter. This one is big. It's good. It's too small. It's done, darling, too long.